happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. In computer, today we will complete the chapter. We will complete the first chapter and today we will just learn the last topic. Okay, so we were learning in the last video lesson the types of the secondary memory. So students, tell me, how many types of secondary memory are there? Tell. Okay, 7 types of secondary memory are there. Okay, so we will see the rest of the secondary memory today. The first one is the digital versatile disk. Digital versatile disk, that is a DVD. I know you are very much familiar with the DVD. आप लोगों ने देखी है DVD कैसी होती है. See, this is a type of a DVD. You have all seen it in your homes. A DVD looks similar to a CD but store up to 4.7 GB data. You have to remember the storage capacity of each secondary memory. Okay students, it stores up to 4.7 GB of data. To use a DVD on a computer, a device called a DVD-ROM drive is needed. To run a DVD, what we need? DVD-ROM drive. To use a DVD in the computer, what we need? DVD-ROM drive. Okay. The video film stored on a DVD can also be seen on a television using a DVD player. हम लोग जब छोटे होते थे तब हम लोग क्या करते थे? वीडियो फिल्म्स देखते थे, हम लोग कार्टून्स की मूवीज़ देखते थे, तो पापा लेकर आते थे ना आपके लिए DVDs ऑफ प्रिंसेस, ऑफ बारबीज, या तो फिर आपके डोरेमोन. ये सब किस में देखते थे आप? DVD में देखते थे. तो अपन DVD किस में इंसर्ट करते थे? DVD प्लेयर में. Is it okay students? Have you understood it? Okay. The next topic is the Blu-ray disc. Now Blu-ray disc जो है ना उसने रिप्लेस किया है DVD को. It has replaced DVD. जब पहले DVD चलती थी, now Blu-ray disc are being used. It is a new optical disc format that is rapidly replacing DVDs. वो क्या कर रही हैं? रिप्लेस कर रही हैं. जैसे भी कोई चीज़ पुरानी हो जाती है तो उसकी जगह पे हम नई चीज़ लेकर आते हैं, वैसे ही DVD का जो है वो थोड़ा सा पुराना हो गया तो उसको किसने रिप्लेस किया है? ब्लू-रे डिस्क. ओके. It can store up to 25 GB on its single side and 50 GB on its dual side. वो एक साइड पे 25 स्टोर कर सकती है एंड ऑन ड्यूअल साइड इट कैन स्टोर 50 GB डेटा. इज इट ओके? It is mainly used to store high quality sound, games and movie data. वो किसके लिए यूज होती है? To store high quality sound. High quality sound means like movies में जो sounds होता है, games and the movie data. Okay. To use a Blu-ray disc, a Blu-ray reader is required. What we need? Blu-ray reader. अगर हमको ये disc use करनी होगी, then what we need? Blu-ray reader in our computer. See, this is a type of Blu-ray disc. Okay. Moving on to the next pen drive. Now, students, you have all seen the pen drive. What is a pen drive? See, this is a type of a pen drive. A pen drive or flash drive. What is the other name of pen drive? Flash drive. Okay, don't get confused, students. Has a storage capacity from 2 GB, 4 GB, 8 GB up to 1 terabyte. And it's further planned to have its capacity up to 2 terabyte. Now, यहाँ तक तो उसकी capacity है ही 1 terabyte तक, but it is further planning to store the data up to 2 terabyte. Okay? A flash drive is primarily used to transfer and store data. It is used to transfer and store data. Means हम लोग एक कंप्यूटर से दूसरे कंप्यूटर के लिए and to store data in that. Okay? To use a flash drive, you need to plug it into a USB port on a computer. What we need to plug in into the USB port on the computer. Okay, students? The next one is the SD card. Now SD card is being inserted in our phones. आप लोगों ने सबने देखा है, हम लोग हमारा फ़ोन में स्टोरेज होती है एक इंटरनल मेमोरी एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ द SD card. See, here is the SD card. इतना छोटा सा SD card होता है, इसमें भी स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी होती है. ओके. SD card is used as a storage medium. Okay, I told you storage capacity होती है, हम लोग उसमें data store कर सकते हैं. For portable devices like mobile, digital cameras and music players in the form that can be easily removed for access by a computer. Now it is a portable device means हम लोग उसको इस कंप्यूटर से भी निकाल के हम लोग दूसरे कंप्यूटर में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, एक फ़ोन में से निकाल के दूसरे फ़ोन में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. दैट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ पोर्टेबल डिवाइस. ओके, वी कैन यूज़ इट इन फोन, वी कैन यूज इट इन कंप्यूटर एज वेल. ओके, SD कार्ड इज स्मॉल इन साइज, वो बहुत छोटा होता है साइज में. इज इट क्लियर टू यू स्टूडेंट्स? Oh, worksheet time. Now, this is a worksheet in your textbook on page number 13. You have to do it on your own. Okay? I will just read out some of it. Okay, for you. Solve the crossword. Now, it is a game time. You have to solve the crossword. Okay? The C in the CD stands for. Now it is going across. Where is number 1? See, here is number 1. The C in the CD stands for compact. So here you will write, one second, compact. C-O-M-P-A-C-T. Compact. Okay. Then for one I will solve you across and the other one I will solve you down, like 0, S and 1 are called. We will see the downwards. Downwards number 2, here it is. What we will write? Byte or bits. You can write byte, that is B-Y-T-E. You can write byte or you can write bits. Is it clear to you? The next question is arrange these devices into ascending order of their storage capacity, means छोटे से बड़ा. Okay? Now, Blu-ray disc, floppy disk, DVD and CD. Now you have to go through the video and you have to see that what is the storage capacity of all these devices. One I will do for you. Okay, the Blu-ray disc अपन ने अभी स्टडी किया था, उसमें कुछ MBs का डेटा, GBs का डेटा यूज होता है. Now floppy disk, we have studied in our second video lesson that floppy disk has a very less amount of storage devices. So here we will write number 1. देन आपको फाइंड आउट करना है वीडियो देख के कि कौन सी किसकी स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी कम है, ज़्यादा है फ्लॉपी डिस्क से. अगर वो DVD है तो उस पर आप नंबर 2 लगाओगे, अगर वो CD है तो उस पर आप नंबर 2 लगाओगे. ओके, आई थिंक देयर इज अ CD. फ्लॉपी डिस्क के बाद क्या आती है? CD आती है, जिसकी स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी फ्लॉपी से ज़्यादा है. सो हियर आई विल राइट नंबर 2. इन द सेम you have to do it in the textbook also. Circle the odd one out. Now here CD-ROM, DVD, CD-RW and CD-R. Now these two are the types of the CD-ROM only. So what is the odd one here? Here it is DVD. So we will circle it here. The next one is the byte, gram, kilobyte and megabyte. हम लोगों ने स्टडी किया था on the very first day of your video lesson. Byte, then kilobyte, then megabyte. But gram था क्या उसमें? No. So we will circle the odd one. Is it clear to you students? Now rearrange the jumbled letters with the help of the given clue. This memory is used to store data for future referencing. Clue has been given to you. We have to just rearrange the jumbled letters. What will it be? It will be secondary. जो future के लिए use होती है, that is secondary. Is it clear to you students? Moving on to the next, there is an application based question on a page number 12. We will just discuss it. Okay, don't have to write anything in your textbook. We will just discuss it. Okay, Rohit could not finish his project work in the class, so he wants to carry the soft copy project to his house in order to finish it. Which device will you suggest to him so as to copy his work? Now there is a boy called Rohit. Okay, वो अपना प्रोजेक्ट का काम क्लास में ख़त्म नहीं कर पा रहा है, फिनिश नहीं कर पा रहा है. So he has to complete the project work at his home. So which device we will use for it? जो हम एक जगह से दूसरे जगह पे यूज़ कर सकते हैं फॉर स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी, from one computer to another computer, what it will be? Yes, it will be pen drive. We have studied now only, it will be pen drive. Okay, he can use the pen drive. Okay, the next one is Divya wants your help in choosing appropriate storage devices for the following task. Her sister wants to store 200 MB data for a class project. सिर्फ उसको कितना स्टोर करना है? 200 MB data. Her father wants to store 20 MB of official documents and files. Now these two you will find out on yourself. Okay, आपको ये find out करना है कि अगर इतना उसको डेटा स्टोर करना है तो वो कौन सा स्टोरेज डिवाइस यूज करेगा. Is it clear to you? The third one I am doing for you. The administration office in her school wants to store 500 GB of backup data containing information about all the students and the teachers. Now हम लोगों ने लास्ट में एक स्टडी किया था स्टोरेज डिवाइस. इट वाज अ पेन ड्राइव. ओके, पेन ड्राइव कहाँ तक स्टोर कर सकता है? अप टू 1 TB एंड इट वॉन्ट्स टू स्टोर अप टू 500 GB. उसको सिर्फ 500 GB तक ही स्टोर करना है. सो व्हाट विल बी द अप्रोप्रिएट स्टोरेज डिवाइस? इट विल बी पेन ड्राइव. Is it clear to you, students? Are you all clear with this lesson? Now with this video lesson I will be sending you the notes as well. You can complete it after your exams. Okay, till then, bye bye. Thank you. God bless you.